Hey, it's Evelyn at Global Social Media Marketing, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to build a lead qualifying flow. So if you're tired of wasting your time on the phone with leads that aren't qualified, this video is just for you. This is for any Facebook marketers, small business owners, or marketing agencies that use ManyChat or any chatbot to generate their leads. There are many different applications for the ManyChat lead flow, including scheduling free phone call consultations, offering discount codes to new customers, and automating your reservations for restaurants or professional services. You can use them in your Facebook and Instagram Messenger ad campaigns, as well as on your website, to encourage your visitors to contact you or better qualify for your sales team to reach out to. So I'm going to start with the user input. This way, you'll see in a second, but we're going to be asking for their email. And this is the best way to do it because it will actually, for most people, type out their email for them and they can just use this as a quick button to click. But we're going to start off with a friendly introduction. I found that starting conversations with a nice hello is always a good idea. And what's great about ManyChat is that it allows the messages to be personalized using the data that it pulls from Facebook. So I like to insert their first name. And this is mostly just to keep it personal and humanized despite them speaking to a bot. So from here, I like to say, I'm happy you're here, because a lot of our users actually come from the pop-up on our website. We use the growth tool. This is where you're going to start collecting emails, and that's important because you want them to opt into your flow. Emails are easy to collect, and they help combine your chat messaging efforts with your email marketing campaigns from your CRM system. You can think of ManyChat as a more cost-effective email marketing solution that allows you to segment people based on actions that they take from each message that can help you build smarter lists for more relevant messages. Now, this is the important part. You want to say that the reply type is an email because that's what you're trying to collect from them. And we save these to the system. And we like to take away the skip button. So all you have to do is delete that. That way, they can't skip past this. They have to enter in their email. Also, why we do this is a very important part. If they don't enter their email in the correct format, then they can't move on in the flow. It stops them. It will give them this message until We offer social media help and education. So that's social media marketing, education technology training, and international business expansion. So because they can direct you to a new website or even a phone number. Has been typed out and the delays are where I want them to be. I'm going to go back and add tags. A tag is a way to segment your subscribers. You can add and remove tags from users to indicate that they are part or not part of a certain group. I'm going to put them in the 2 spots where I find them most important. We're going to do it here at the beginning where we collect their email, and here flow worked out. And I do want to just touch briefly on how we trigger our lead qualifying flow. We use a growth tool, and that is our pop-up. So on our website, this will show up and we can redirect the user to their Facebook Messenger where it will kickstart our flow. I will very quickly go through how you set it up. Once you have all those customizations, it will generate a JavaScript snippet for you to then copy and paste into the backend of your website. We use WordPress for our website, so all you have to do is install the plugin, insert headers and footers, and then you can copy and paste the code that we gotten from ManyChat into your header. If you'd set it up correctly before, then this means that it will show on all the pages that you want it to and will be hidden on the pages you don't. Hopefully watching this video has helped you learn how to set up your ManyChat lead qualifying flow. And if you want more help, Global Social Media Marketing can help with our Facebook ManyChat services as an agency partner. Please fill in the form below this video in the description for an exploratory call on how we can help you implement a lead generation machine for your brand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you!